This is a Dodge Journey 2020. Replacing that. And you got two clips here. And then there's a circle pin there. Looks like that. And then you got the circle here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 clips there. And then on the vent, you'll have 2 here and 2 here. It look like that. And then you grab here, pry up. After you remove the 2 T20s, it's a Torch 20. You grab this, you pry up. And then this little clip here, blue clip, push down, wiggle it back and forwards, and it comes out like that. Some people have issues with it. I didn't really have any. And then I'm going to pause this, and I will remove these 2 screws so I can get this pried up. Here we go. And this is a really old pry tool. Newer ones are a little bit nicer. Boom. Boom. And that is it. This is loose. Twist like this. Come back here. Right here. There's a little release put. 1, 2. 3. And that's that. And give me a moment. I need to grab a Phillips. I'm back. You got those 2, and then these 2 down here. Give me a moment. And what you'll do is do that. You just pull this bottom bracket up. Set that off to the side. Now this piece, the broken screen, gets replaced with the new screen. Well, gently used. Because this one's not broke. And some people try to make these seem harder than what they are, take longer than what it does. All reality, it don't. 1. And the hardest part is trying to hold a camera while doing it. That's why I already had the other piece off. But you will see the assembly And that's together. And now all the harness is done. Now, this, you gotta start the top first. Get that right there, that there, and a little push. Finally, grab the screws. Whoop. See if we get that stay. Go. Grab my T20. Now the climate controls. Whoops. Get plugged back in. Let's see if I can get it. Well, did not mean for it to zoom in like that. Okay. There's that. Up. And then down. Oh. That. One moment. Sorry, I'm back. I dropped one of the clips right here. It came off. There. Push. Push. That's in. Screw. Screw. Torx. There's that. Put this back on here. Start the circle clip. Oh, give me a moment. Okay, I'm back. I just had to get these two aligned in to push them in. And then, there we go. Let's see. I'm back. I had to make sure the main plug on the back here was in. But now the screen turns on.
I can try. I don't know what kind of standing I'm in with the phone. Who makes it? Louisville Slugger.
And that's replaced.
Some of the Yankees were using Louisville Slugger.
Thanks for watching. And this is Link's Garage. Like, subscribe. And this is the first video I've put up in a while. Hopefully I do a lot more. Thank you.